Lost your Revolut card PIN and feeling stranded? Don't worry, getting it back is quick and easy. And this video will show you exactly how. First, unlock your phone and tap on the Revolut App icon to open it. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once the app is open, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a row of icons. Tap on the cards icon. This will take you to a screen displaying all your Revolut cards. Now, find the Revolut card you need to PIN for. If you have multiple cards, make sure you select the right one. Tap on that card. You are now on the card details screen. Look for an option that says Show PIN or something similar, like Reveal PIN. The exact wording might vary slightly. Tap on that option. For security reasons, Revolut will likely ask you to verify your identity. This is usually done with your fingerprint, Face ID, or the passcode you use to unlock your phone. Complete the verification process. Once you've verified your identity, your PIN will be displayed on the screen. Remember to memorize it immediately and don't share it with anyone. This is only displayed temporarily for your security. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your Revolut card PIN. You can now use your card with confidence for secure transactions. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful fintech tips.